My name is Daniel. I'm a management consultant and have been for over 5 years now. And I've been working with multinational businesses to improve and automate their back-end operations, saving millions and millions of pounds across multiple clients over the years. Now, I came to Speakers Are Leaders because I have always struggled with client pitches and large presentations with my confidence and speaking ability. And so I came here to learn the tools and techniques that I could use and implement to improve my ability and my self-confidence. And I've been so amazed with how much I've been able to learn and improve in such a short space of time with Speakers Are Leaders. And I would highly recommend any course that they put on because it has really improved my confidence, and I now feel I can go and win much more business with many more clients.